Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi 12 and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and then let's tap on About Phone. Here we have to localize the MIUI version. As you can see, it is right under those highlighted information, and all we have to do right now is to simply keep tapping on it until we will see that we are in the developer mode. Be aware that if you've got the screen lock, you will have to enter it to confirm the whole step, and after activating we can go back to the general settings and scroll to find the additional settings. Let's tap on it. Now let's scroll down to the very bottom, and as you can see we've got the developer options, so let's enter, and here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So as you can see we've got a lot of them. So we can, for example, manage the option to don't keep activities. We can enable the strict mode. Here we've got view updates, we can show them. We've got window animation scale, for example, so the options which are connected with the animations overall. We can show visual feedback for tabs. We've got the floating clock. We've got the options which are connected with the networking, so the Bluetooth, the USB settings, the Wi-Fi, etc. So quite a lot of options to customize. And basically everything here works just like in the regular options. So if you want to turn on something, just tap on the switcher, and as you can see it will be immediately activated and applied, and you can turn it off the same way. And if you've got the options without the switcher, just tap on them to open more options. If you're done with customization of developer options, you can turn them off. Just go to the very top of the list and tap on the switcher next to the developer options. Most of the options will be right now inactive, and after getting back to the additional settings, you can see that the developer options disappeared from the list. But of course, no worries. If you want to customize them again, just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.